Well, it's Tuesday morning now, and I don't know if we got any snow or not.
Daddy,
What?
look.
It's Monday morning, excuse me.
Daddy, look at outside. There's way more snow than every day.
Whoa. I guess it
Okay, Mama.
must have come.
Now I get to eat snow. Now I
What, Mama?
get to eat snow. Now I get to eat snow there.
So, we gotta get a big fire going.
And nothing to watch.
I know. It sucks. We gotta figure out what the heck we're gonna do today.
And then we're gonna be really bored.
Nope. We're gonna have to have so much fun doing other kinds of things.
Play in the snow. I like snow.
I know you do.
But today, it's better.
What do you mean?
Because there's a lot of snow outside, and I'm gonna play up there for the whole time already.
It's gonna be cold. Oh. This is how you guys are keeping warm today?
Cold.
Apparently they're done.
So cold.
They're gonna, oh, God, she's freezing out here.
Huh?
She's shivering out here.
Oh.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah. No, is that gonna work? I think so. Let's see if that warms itself up. You good? Yes, Lottie. What? Oh, you got a donut? Oh, I guess that's a good breakfast. You all dressed? Wanna put a sweater on? Dang, girl, you're good at this.
I'm better than her.
Don't be mean.
There.
Don't stop. Okay. Go ahead, play a song.
Just la 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 la.
That'll be way too hard to keep that hot right now. I'm singing too.
Wow. I think this doesn't even work. He ruined that. What? Hello. Oh yeah, it's not charging. She actually fucking won't charge
I
it.
know.
I could charge it this time.
You want some food, mamas? You hungry? I don't think it works, Betty. You want some food?
No, any more tonight, babe? Want to try drinking my egg?
Boom. Primitive life. 2021 style.
Get me!
Where are you going?
Try to get me!
Whoa, that's deep. You going down there? Oh. Oh. Here, get all this off your sweat so before it
I got
turns
snow
you.
inside me.
Did you? That's okay.
Inside my glove.
Say.
It's cold. Ah, cold. Ow!
Here, put it back on. Oh, see, it's not even that deep. Let's go. Whoa.
I got stoned.
Oh. Oh, we gotta go inside soon. Your hands are getting cold. Not quite what I want to see right now. Jesus.
I can see footprints.
Yeah.
Look. of your footprints.
Here, this way, bud. Oh, man. Oh, I hope this thing's all right at the end of this. I just got it back.
Take your shoes off right there, guys.
My shoes are covered in snow.
Welcome. We got a tiny fire going because all the wood I got is wet.
I got wet.
You guys are ridiculous, you know that? You guys doing all right on this stormy day?
Freezing out of house.
Yeah, it's freaking cold outside. What are you coloring this time? Oh, that's cool. They got Star Wars. Oh, you guys got the magic ones? You're not using the magic markers though? The ones that only work on paper. Well, Texas winter storm 2021. I
I guess
say.
we just had to stay in our new house.
What?
Our old house.
In California?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it has power in there.
It most certainly
You
does
know we
have
have power
power.
in our old house.
It does have power, that's right. But here, which is where we live, at our only house, we don't have power still. We had power for a few
We should
hours.
just move.
I'm glad you think moving is so easy, buddy. But here, we got
what if-
power.
What if power doesn't come on anymore?
It'll be on tomorrow.
So I just make power.
The sun makes power.
Uh-huh. Because the power of sun.
So you are right. The sun does make power,
Uh-huh.
but the power that we're using for our house isn't from the sun. But
That's power.
anyways,
So it's like,
we got power for a little while, right? Played some Monopoly, and before bedtime, our power company decided that we didn't need electricity anymore. So
hey,
we're back to fire. Yeah, that's
you just sit
32.
on the phone.
Yeah.
It's a light. Hey, got the same though.
We've had to dig out flashlights and pistol lights. And we're going to try not to freeze to death overnight. I think we'll be all right.
I think I would be.
What do you have to say? Anything that you enjoyed especially today?
I don't know.
You don't know? I'd say the golf cart tube ride was pretty fun, huh?
Hey, that golf cart was pretty fun.
You can't shine that at the phone
Hi.
because you're messing it up. Shine it up. There we go. But I
I can
guess
see myself.
we'll just say goodnight to everybody for the rest of the night.
Hey, I see the light right there.
All right. Good night, y'all. Peace.